What's up everybody, 360 Juice here, back with another video for you guys, and today I'm going to show all my beginners how to find your crown, how to brush your crown, whatever you want to do with your crown, you're going to find out how to do it in this video. And we are starting right now.
They ain't sick of me rapping, they know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me, I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam, I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out but I'm backing, need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Welcome back guys. For this method you will need three products, alright? Three products. First product, you need a mirror. Y'all see yourselves, y'all see y'all? That's you right there. That's you. But yeah man, you need a mirror. Second product you'll need is a 2/6 King Wavy soft curve brush. It has to be soft, it has to. This is the most important product that you will need. Alright, so I have two of them, okay? Two of them, different colors. Whichever color you like, go ahead, pick it, do whatever you gotta do with it. Alright, so you'll need a 360 Merch crown brush. You got this one, and you got this one, alright? Whichever one you like. Got discount codes for these, and the 2/6 King Wavy brush, and the do-rag. But the mirror, I apologize, I do not have a discount code for the mirror. But discount code for this is 360 Juice 26. Use that discount code at checkout so you get 26% off. Discount code for these two is 360 Juice. You get 10% off, okay? Discount code for the do-rag 360 Juice 26. You get 26% off. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So guys, me the way I'm brushing my crown is a swirl pattern. If you have a beehive, just brush the way that you would as a beehive using this brush. Guys, the absolute best way and most promising way to find your crown will be to scalp your waves or scalp your hair. If you're a beginner and you don't really know where your crown is, scalping will be the best thing to do, because when you scalp, you find your natural crown. If you don't feel like scalping, then you have to make your own crown. You have to pick a spot that you want the crown in, and you have to train that spot. You have to train the hairs in that spot to flow away from one another. But other than that guys, the most easiest way to find your crown will be to scalp, starting all over from nothing. Pick up your soft brush and just go over it again. Now guys, before you do this method, you could definitely apply products if you want to. Alright you guys, that is all. As y'all can see, my crown is not really coming in yet because I am switching patterns. I will be doing a swirl now. I'm not told you guys I wouldn't, but I was kind of like contemplating on it, but I'm like, you know what, okay, let me try something new. So I'm going for it. All right, let me know what y'all think in the comments. If you guys do not have a swirl and you have a crown, I'm gonna have a video up here showing you guys how to brush your crown and how to isolate your crown. Click it, pay attention, take notes, and watch the full video. It's your boy 360 Juice, and I'm out of here. Peace.